In this video I'm going to be trying out and reviewing the LED humidifier from the Dollar Tree. Okay, this is the front of the box, and it says color changing light, spray duration, tank capacity, on off switch button, micro USB cable powered. It says micro USB cable included. And this is the top of the box. This is the bottom of the box. And this is the right side. It says on off switch button, mist spray nozzle. This is the back. I guess these are the instructions. Open the cap, pour in water, plug in USB cord, switch button on off. It says there's two mist settings, continuous or intermittent. On this side of the box it says RGB color changing light and 7.39 ounce water tank. This is what it looks like when you open the box. So you got the device, and then there's a cable, and there's instructions. Okay, before I plug this in, I'll show you that the lid it comes off, but there's a twist locking mechanism on there where you twist it. So that's the inside, and that's how that works. I'm going to pour 3/4 cup of water in here. That's 6 ounces. Okay, so now that's connected. I'm using my own cable because the cable that came with it is short. I'm going to turn this on now. So you can see that the mist is coming out of it, and it's in intermittent mode right now. And the light on the device changes colors. That looks good. Now press this again. This should be continuous mode now. So now the mist is coming out continuously. So that looks like it's putting out a lot of mist. And now press it one more time. This should just turn it off. And now it's off. In conclusion, I think this is a really good deal for $1.25 from the Dollar Tree. I think I've seen devices similar to this in other stores. I don't remember the exact price, but I'm pretty sure they were $10 or more. So for $1.25, I think this is a great price, and it works really good. And I also like the color changing light on the front of it.